Hey y'all, I'm getting ready to try these 3 ingredients chicken nuggets. Now I don't know how they're gonna taste, but let's see, we're gonna give it a try. And I'm gonna prepare mine in the air fryer. And you need 2 cans of the chunk chicken breast. Well, you need a total of 10 ounces, and I just have two 5-ounce cans. And you need a half a cup of cheese and 1 egg. So let's just see here about this thing. Okay guys, I've been over to the sink and I've measured out a half a cup of cheese. I'm using mozzarella, but it says you can use any cheese. Now you're supposed to drain this chicken, right? And just a quick fact, I eat chicken nuggets maybe once or twice a year at the most. It's nothing I just get a taste for. I've never been like that on chicken nuggets. And apparently you're supposed to kind of smash it down real good. But I normally, when I eat them, out of everybody's chicken nuggets, it seems like I grab them when we're traveling because there's something easy to, grab and eat, and you don't have to make a mess, especially when you're driving over the road. So Wendy's is my preference for chicken nuggets, my first preference. I don't like the Burger King's chicken nuggets at all. But I was up the other day, and this is not my recipe, guys. I got this recipe the other night, late one night. Sometimes I fumble around on Pinterest looking at different stuff here and there. And I basically got this recipe off of Pinterest. And I was seeing it, and she had the chicken just kind of mashed down, kind of real fine like that. So hold on one second, y'all. Okay, I got that all mixed. And I'm going to add the cheese in here. Get in the sink to be washed. Crack the egg. Now, it doesn't call for this, but this chicken is not seasoned, so yeah. I'm not going to get too carried away, but I am going to put a little seasoned salt in mine now. But it's only the 3 ingredients. You put whatever kind you want in yours. Now, she didn't put any seasoning in hers. And like I said, she said you could use any cheese, but she was using mozzarella. And then I saw another lady use Parmesan. So I'm going to copy off, the mozzarella that I saw. But anyway, I guess you mix it up real good. And I don't ever preheat my air fryer. I know a lot of people do, but I don't. I generally just turn it on. But the instruction says you're supposed to cook this on, if you use your air fryer for 14 minutes, and you turn them over halfway in between. So that would be 7 minutes on each side. And let me see here. I'm going to form one. She said they won't be real firm. I don't know. And if you want to use gloves, you can, but ain't nobody eating this but me. But my hands are clean on top of that. Even if they were, I don't sit around using gloves in my kitchen. I don't know. Some people do. I don't. So this is what I'm going to save mine. Size I'm going to make mine. And I'm going to get these formed, and I'll come back, y'all, before I put them in the air fryer. Okay, y'all, this is what mine look like. So I did mine. Hers were rather a nice size too, and so I don't know if this is a too big, or you can size them however you want, I'm sure. Let me put them down in the air fryer. This is the cartridge, and I have some of those little parchment paper things I put down in here. I'd already lined it, so I'm going to put it down in the air fryer, and it should fit all of these. And I'll come back and kind of let y'all see halfway through. Okay, I got them in the air fryer, y'all. I'm going to leave mine at 400 since I didn't preheat it. And I'm going to drop it down to if I can learn how to program the thing. I'm going to put it on 7 minutes, and then I'm going to turn them over halfway through. Let's push start on this baby. Okay, guys, the timer just went off, and this is what they're looking like halfway through. I'm going to get them flipped over and put them on for another 7 minutes, and I'll be back with you. I just wanted to let you see how they look halfway through. Hey, guys, and this is what they came out looking like, 3 ingredients chicken nuggets. I'm going to serve mine with some, I guess this is a good keto or low carb recipe, but I'm going to serve mine with some G. Hughes sugar-free honey mustard. And I'm going to get this poured up, and I'll come back and taste them for you here. Okay, guys, I got the honey mustard. They're hot still, so let me just taste it by itself first. Y'all, I was skeptical, but I hate to say it, these are actually good. And that's the texture of them inside, like a chicken nugget. I was skeptical with the canned chicken and all. And I'm going to taste them with the sauce. Y'all, these are actually good. I'm going to eat this one up. Y'all try these and let me know if you try them and how you like them. They're quick and simple and fast and easy. And like I said, you can cook them in an air fryer or the oven. 3 ingredients chicken nuggets. Give them a try, guys.